Hello, Bad-Tempered Badger here with a little news. On Monday the 25th of September, Mohammed Rabini, International Director of human rights non-profit CAGE, was convicted of breaching UK anti-terror law, specifically Schedule 7, paragraph 18 of the 2000 UK Terrorism Act, after refusing to unlock his iPhone and laptop for police when entering the country.
I shouldn't even be asked to hand over my passport to begin with. If I was being accused of a crime, or if there were formal charges made against me, or let's say there's an investigation that's taking place, and in the course of that investigation there's information that is required or whatever, it makes sense, it's sensible. Here, I've not been accused of anything. I mean, under Schedule 7, you don't even have to be suspected of a crime. So that's my situation, and in fact that's the situation of anybody that's stopped under Schedule 7. There's no suspicion required. You can just be detained. Your rights can be taken away from you even though you're not suspected of a crime. So at the level of principle, I've now also, I feel very strongly that the requirement or the demand for me to disclose passwords shouldn't even be made. I don't think it's correct, and I think the law is not correct, and I think there's a real a need to actually review the level of intrusion that the extent of the powers that are now granted to the state to intrude on the lives of private citizens. Here what we're talking about is perfectly law-abiding citizens.
Schedule 7 allows police officers to detain the person and question them for up to 9 hours. They may search the person or any of their belongings and may retain those belongings for up to 7 days. It is an offence if the person fails to answer questions or obstructs the exercise of the functions under the Act. The person has no right to a publicly funded lawyer while detained at the port or border. If detained at a police station, officers can take the person's biometric data, including fingerprints and DNA. This is a blatant breach of human rights, ignoring the concept of innocent until proven guilty and allowing massive privacy invasion. There are no restrictions in place on who, how, or when these powers can be used. The person being searched does not even have to be suspected of a crime, so they can in theory be used to search anyone at the border at any time for no reason and send to prison anyone who does not comply. It seems to me that this regulation is being used as a phishing scam by law enforcement to gather private information on people. As officers can detain and search anyone at any time they travel abroad, they are free to gather whatever information they like, regardless of the person's human rights. I would like to suggest that everyone contact their MP and ask why this breach of human rights is still being allowed. Thanks for watching.